In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Airbnb and Booking.com calendars 2026, step by step. If you list the same place on both platforms, connecting your calendars is essential to prevent double bookings and save time. We'll set up a clean two-way sync using each site's iCal feature, and I'll explain what each action does so you know exactly why you're clicking it. First, we'll export your Airbnb calendar. Log into your Airbnb account and switch to hosting so you're viewing your host tools. Open Calendar, and choose the listing you want to sync. In that listing's calendar, go to Availability Settings and look for Calendar Sync. Select Export Calendar. Airbnb will generate an iCal link. Copy this link and keep it somewhere safe. You'll paste it into your Booking.com extranet next. This link is a read-only feed of your Airbnb reservations and blocked dates, so treat it like a sharing key and don't post it publicly. Now, let's import that Airbnb calendar into Booking.com. Log into the Booking.com extranet, navigate to Rates and Availability, then open Calendar. Find the option labeled Sync Calendar or Import Calendar. The exact wording can vary. Paste the Airbnb iCal link you copied a moment ago, give it a clear name like Airbnb Calendar, and save. After this is saved, Booking.com will automatically block any dates that are reserved or blocked on Airbnb. Syncing isn't always instant, so give it a little time to pull in the latest data. Next, we'll do the reverse so Airbnb can see your Booking.com reservations. While you're still in the Booking.com calendar, click Export Calendar. Booking.com will provide an iCal link. Copy that link. This is the outbound feed from Booking.com that Airbnb will read. Finally, head back to your Airbnb calendar for the same listing. Open Availability Settings again and choose Import Calendar. Paste the Booking.com iCal link, name it something like Booking Calendar, and select Import. With both imports in place, your calendars are now connected in both directions. Going forward, when a guest books on one platform, the corresponding dates will be blocked on the other automatically. A couple of closing tips to keep things smooth. It can take several minutes for each platform to update, so don't worry if changes don't appear immediately. Keep your iCal links organized and unchanged. If you delete or replace a link later, the sync will stop. And remember, this setup mirrors availability only. Pricing and content still need to be managed separately. That's it. Your Airbnb and Booking.com calendars are now linked and working together.